Welcome back. Today we are going to clean an air fryer because they are greasy and dirty and filthy. So I've got, mine isn't like as bad as some of the ones that I've seen, but I've greased it up pretty well. And you can see the gunk in it. So it's got like oil and some teriyaki sauce, which is always hard to remove. This little tiny thing comes out. And then inside of them get really dirty too. But you have to be careful that you're not like you can't like wet and soak inside of here because it's electrical, right? There's a coil, if I could tip that up so everyone can see it. But the coil itself isn't very dirty, but it is dirty in here, so I'll try to get that off. I find the best thing to clean the air fryer is the Dawn Power Wash, just because it's really good at lifting hardened, cooked on stains. You spray it, you let it sit, you scrub it, and then you rinse it. Okay, so Dawn Power Wash, we're just gonna spray it and let it sit for a bit to lift all of the burnt on crud, and then we're gonna scrub it, rinse it, and it should be good to go. So we've already shined this baby up so that it's sparkling clean. It came super duper like there's nothing left in it. Brand new again. And now what I wanna do is take the Dawn Power Wash and I'm just gonna spray the inside of here, let it sit, and then I'm gonna wipe it out. And I'll just wipe it to rinse it out because we just don't wanna like have residue of soap in here afterwards. I'm sure I could probably cook it off too, like once I rinse it out hot. Maybe run it for like 5 or 10 minutes just so that next time I make chicken nuggets, it doesn't taste like Dawn Power Wash. Now I'm just gonna go in here with a cloth and wipe out as best I can. I'm like blindly doing this because I can't really see. Is it working? Oh, ew. Oh, that's working so good. Okay. Disclaimer. Unplug your air fryer before you do this. I should have said this at the beginning. Wow. Clean cloth. And like the whole concept of Dawn Power Wash is spray, wipe, rinse, right? So I'm using just a wet cloth to wipe away everything. And I want to wipe away all of the suds and stuff. I've already wiped the outside off a couple times, like, but you could Wyman's it too if you wanted to make it look brand new. Why is this sticker on here still? Here is my sparkling brand new air fryer. So we took the sticker off with some Barbekeeper's Friend and then we washed down the outside of it and then I Wyman's it up so it's nice and shiny on the stainless steel part of it. And then here is the inside of it. So the basket, I just wanna make sure you can see how clean the basket came. And so just remember, you need to clean your air fryer every single time you use it. Base, I can't get this out, come on. Here, there. Look how clean that is. So you should clean your air fryer every single time you use it. Don't let crud and everything build up inside of it. It's not like a cast iron pan where you want it to be seasoned. And then look at the inside, we got all that grease and everything out of there. And if you have bad like grease and everything built up in here, like I'd be worried about fire or something like that. So clean it and then you're safe. And that concludes the air fryer tutorial.